In this video, we'll understand how to derive the formula to get the sum of n terms of an AP. Let's have our general AP. That's A plus T, A plus 2D, dash, dash, dash. The last term is AN. A term before it will be AN minus D, then AN minus 2D, and then so on. In this side, when we are adding D, definitely from this side, D is being subtracted. So we need to find out the sum of it. So let's call Sn as the sum of the given AP. That's A plus D plus A plus 2D. Adding all the other terms and writing the last three terms. AN minus 2D plus AN minus D plus of AN. Let's write the sequence in the reverse manner as well. AN plus AN minus D plus AN minus 2D plus dash 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 A plus 2D plus A plus D and then plus of A. Let's add the two equations. When we are adding two equations, Sn twice, it becomes twice of Sn. Then A plus AN plus D minus D plus 2D minus 2D. Similarly, we'll have plus 3D minus 3D and then so on. Here again minus 2D plus 2D minus D. Cancels off minus and plus. Here we'll write A plus AN, then plus A plus AN plus A plus AN. These are all the terms left, the first and the second terms. Then the third term. Every term is AN plus A or A plus AN plus A plus AN. How many times we have this? These were n terms. So adding the same number n times, it becomes n times A plus AN. Then what's my Sn from here? It's n by 2 A plus AN. So if I have the first term and the last term, I simply add them and take the product of n by 2, that is half of the number of terms. That gives you Sn for the given series. Also, the same formula can be rewritten as Sn equals n by 2. Then this is A. And we all know AN is written as A plus N minus 1 times D. Let's use this bracket here. So also, then Sn can be written as N by 2 A plus A makes 2A plus N minus 1 times D. And this becomes another formula to get the sum of all the terms of the given AP. Thank you.